In this video, I've got a couple of tips and examples of solving the last two centers on your 5x5. So solving the last two centers should and will become quite straightforward and formulaic once you get comfortable with intuitively solving centers. And this is because of a few things. Firstly, all we need to solve is available for us to view on the front and the top face, so we don't need to do any rotations. And also there are many, many lucky cases because we're only solving these 9 and these 9, and there's a 50% chance that over half of this is solved already. And the basic strategy or the basic process that I follow for solving these last two centers is to solve the 2x3 block on this left hand side here and then do the last 1x3 using wide R moves and U moves. And in the other algorithms section on CubeSkills, I have a document which shows some intuitive algorithms for solving the last 1x3 line onto this front right slot. However, I thought I should just show you a couple of examples of how I'd tackle the last two centers in various cases. So again, we need to resort to our three basic strategies of solving centers. So that is 1x3 lines, 2x2 block and extend on that, and then the T. In this case, I'm going to build 1x3 lines because I see I've already got this, and this, so this is quite handy. So what I'm going to do is actually make these three into a 1x3 line by doing R prime, F, R, F prime, like that. And then I can either insert this or this. I'll insert this because it only required a U prime rotation, and then R prime, F2, R. And I have a tendency, or I have a strong bias to using my right hand to do wide moves. So instead of doing L prime, U2, L, like that, I would do R prime, F2, R. Also note that doing R prime, F2, R, like that, doesn't break up these two, as opposed to L prime, U2, L here breaks up these two. So R prime, F2, R. Then I have a really easy case for my last 1x3 bar, like that. So like I said before, there's already a decent probability of having many pieces already solved. So in this example, we've already got this 2x2 block here, and we can extend it to create a 2x3 with this corner center and any of these two edge centers. So if we do something like this, so U, and then we can pair it up by R, U, R prime, that builds this 2x3. You can put it on the left and then do these last three like this. So R, U2, R prime, U2, R, U, R prime, like so. Now here's a case which looks pretty easy because there's already a lot solved, but they're in awkward positions. So it's actually best to do the T method using this 1x3 and this center. So what we can do is do L, F prime, L prime. But even better than that is doing L, F, L prime, which brings out this edge center here to the top layer because it's actually a bad case to put it here. So we can either make the choice to do L, F, L prime or L, F prime, L prime. In this case, it'd be better to do L, F, L prime to bring this edge center out to the top. And then again, we can go on and insert our last 1x3 block like that. So just to recap, the last two centers should be very easy and you should be able to turn quite quickly, and look ahead will be quite straightforward because all of the pieces that you require are in the top and the front faces, and there is a high probability of things already being solved. So you can build the first 2x3 using either 1x3s, building a 2x2 and extending around that, or using the T method.